Koop jy is fyn om in die vlog te wees. Okay, so we're here at the gym. And we recently started, I think 2 weeks ago. We started with the Grace Fit UK guide or something like that. And today we are doing booty or legs?
Legs.
Legs. Yay! Let's go. Gym tip. Don't come and greet someone if they're doing hip thrusts. Very awkward. Got it? That one's for free. Baby weights. Okay, so I'm not an expert in making smoothies. I literally just throw whatever is green in it so that I can get in some fruits and veggies. So one thing that you must remember about smoothies is that the ones that are very fruity is actually extremely high in sugar, and the fruit for me personally counts as a starch. So I try and avoid the fruits. If I do throw in fruits, it would be like half a banana or blueberries, but for the rest I just actually do it because of the veggies. Handful of spinach, or this is Swiss chard. Oh, I wanted to speak about juices. So in one of my previous videos I actually spoke about juicing, but that is also not very healthy if you just juice fruits and stuff, because again it's very high in sugar and you actually lose the fiber. So what I do with the juicing is actually I juice it and then I take out the fiber that's at the top and throw it back in, because you want the fiber. That is the good stuff for the bowels. 2, 3 broccoli flowers, 3 Brussels sprouts. Now that that is blended, I chopped up 2 strawberries. I'm gonna add that, and 1 celery as well, 1 stick. I hate celery. So that's going in, and then like a knob of ginger as well, that's very healthy. Some fresh mint leaves, parsley, and then also some blueberries. Now blend it up. So then I just like to take a teaspoon and add some seeds. This is flax seeds and some chia seeds, and then I have 2 superfood powders. The one is spirulina. It is like actually like an algae, and then I don't know how to say this, moringa leaf powder. One of my tips is get a nice jar. It makes drinking the green smoothie better. Thumbs up from me. So I thought to just sit down and have a quick chat with you guys. So I recently listened to a book from Gary Vaynerchuk called Crushing It, and one of the things he said that I really took to heart is you shouldn't wait to be an expert or for your life to be perfect to just start something, to just do it. And he says that you should actually document the process. So that is what I decided to do today. I am documenting my process. So this video is my weight loss / health journey. Let me start at the beginning, and this might get a bit personal or a bit deep, but when I got married I weighed, I think, 58 kilograms, and then I got this birth control called the Implanon. I think maybe the same in English, but from that, like in 3 months I gained more than 10 kilograms, and my hair started to fall out. It started to become extremely thin, and I even like got acne. I literally felt like a troll. I felt so ugly, and my body was just changing and I couldn't keep up with the changes. And during that time I actually really struggled, and it's actually probably one of the times where I struggled the most with low self-esteem. Ooh, my head's itching. Then I took out the Implanon, but I still struggled a lot with my hormones, and then they put me on a pill that was also extremely high in hormones, so it was still a crazy ride. So I decided this year, no. I tried a lot of things. I tried the keto diet, the paleo, and I just got so confused. There's so many diets: low carb, high carb, banting, blood type, DNA, I don't even know. There's so many diets, and I really got confused, and I tried everything and I tasted everything and it just didn't work. So I decided to go see a dietitian. I really wanted to learn about nutrition, how it works, what works for my body, what suits my body and my lifestyle. I saw the dietitian about 3 weeks ago. She did work out like a lifestyle for me, a way that I can manage my own diet. So at this moment I am in the weight loss period. My goal is really not to be like super skinny or to be like extremely muscular. I just want to be healthy and comfortable in my body. I just want to be able to move my body and work my body. I must lose about 8 kilograms. Yeah, that's a lot. So at this moment I can eat 7 proteins a day, 4 starches and 3 to 4 fats. So I love that because I can work out how I want to eat it. If I want to be silly and eat 7 proteins at night, I can do that. I won't advise that. But anyway, so that's how I now manage my diet. Since I've been with her, I lost 1.5 kilograms. It is maybe frustrating because you're not losing weight as quick as on like a fad diet, but it is losing weight healthily and weight that you will actually keep off. Yeah, and I actually just want to share some tips and stuff that I learned along the way. Disclaimer, not an expert, not a dietitian, not a personal trainer. This is just my journey and what I've learned and what I want to share with you guys. Regarding exercise, I actually didn't like my program anymore. I was so frustrated. I was so tired of doing Kyla. To be honest with you, if I had to do another burpee, I started to gym with my best friend, and that most definitely helps because who doesn't want to see their best friend? It keeps you accountable. I know she's at the gym, so I can't ditch her. It just makes gymming fun. Another thing regarding exercise, I actually go to the gym now on Saturdays and Sundays because my week is just so crazy. Regarding nutrition, I also pack my lunch so that I don't get tempted to eat the cafeteria's food. I also try and make smoothies because I really struggle to eat vegetables. So I try and make like a green smoothie where I just at least get a lot of veggies in and just swallow it down. And I also do intermittent fasting. Now what intermittent fasting is you eat for a certain period of the day and you fast for a certain period of the day. So I do the 16-8 where I eat for 8 hours and I fast for 16 hours. I eat all my calories in those 8 hours, and that's that. I think just for me, what I've learned so far is to be patient with yourself, to love yourself enough to actually want to give yourself the best. And that is where I'm at right now. I really feel at a good place when it comes to my confidence, when it comes to my mental health regarding food, and that's what I want now, is just to have a positive relationship with food, with exercise, for it not to be like a straff, but for it to be something that you enjoy, you enjoy looking after yourself. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll maybe like do monthly updates or something like that to show you guys if I've lost, if I've gained, what I've learned, what I'm doing, etc. Comment if you have any questions, and let's get fit together, fit and healthy, because we love our bodies. We love our bodies. We wanna take care of our bodies. We wanna live long and healthy lives. I don't know why I always end up singing. I'm sorry, y'all. Always remember, you are loved, you are worthy, and you are beautiful.